Hello, welcome to the e-VRC, where today I'm going to try and get this Hubsan Zino Mini Pro to follow me around on the M5 Pro from iScooter, because one of the issues I have when I'm filming videos is I don't get that many following shots because it's hard to get people involved into the video sometimes. I can get people, so big shout out for those people who've helped before, like Jess and Rick and William, but it is nice to be able to do things on your own, and that's what this is for. So I'm going to see if this is any good at following me around. So I'm gonna get it up in the air, get in follow mode. I'm gonna do GPS follow, so it follows the controller, and then I'm just gonna go around the block and hopefully it's gonna follow me and not lose me, because it seems like a pretty good drone so far, but there's been a few issues I've seen on YouTube videos when it comes to following, so let's see how that goes.
Non-obstacle avoidance mode. Please fly with caution.
Well, this is interesting. Fuck. I can't talk, I can't even talk because I can't concentrate. It's ridiculous. It's just weird. Very scary. It's very windy. It's got even more windy up there. Jesus Christ, it's fucking windy. It's doing well. I didn't realise it was this windy today. I mean, the UAV thing did actually say not safe to fly. I'm gonna try and get down to the street, bottom of the street, without looking. I hope I'm recording in 4K, because then at least I can zoom a little bit.
The current environment has strong wind speed. Please pay attention.
Where are you? Oh shit. It's all over there. Right. Stop following mode. Okay, now he's coming back. He's going further away. I know you can see that. He's coming back now.
The current environment has strong wind speed. Please pay attention to flight safety.
The current environment has strong
The current environment has strong wind
speed.
Please pay attention to flight safety.
Yeah, pay attention to flight safety, that's a fair comment. Don't land in a tree. Well, apart from me not being able to hold it, it's done pretty well, I think. Oh, I've trod in some... Oh, it's just mud. Just mud.
Landing.
Go on then.
Landing.
And it's back.
FPV has been turned off. It will turn on automatically after the aircraft takes off.
So, two things I've learned from that are, one, don't do this when it's really, really windy. Two, get something to hold this, because my hand's killing. Maybe like you get a scooter bag, I could maybe put it in there, but I had the drone bag, but I was worried about moving them around. But we'll see what the footage looks like anyway. So that was it. That was the Hubsan Zino following me around on the scooter. So that was an e-VRC video. If you enjoyed that, hit the like button and feel free to subscribe for more scooter videos and maybe a few more droney videos. You'd like to see more drone stuff, let me know in the comments. See you later.